Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Deepseek app. So if you also want to use Deepseek app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Deepseek is an AI application launched by a Chinese company recently. Using this application is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open the Deepseek AI application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Creating the account is very simple. After you create the account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in this application, you can ask anything. You can ask any questions of your choice, or you can also give the task to Deepseek. Over here, you'll be able to find the message bar at bottom. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can go ahead and chat with Deepseek. Simply enter your message over here. Tap on the send icon that you can see right over here on your screen. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to get the prompt response from Deepseek. Like this, you'll be able to chat. You can message the Deepseek anytime you want. You can also enable the deep think and search if you want. Simply tap on those options if you want to enable it. You can also attach the files. For that, simply tap on the plus icon that you can see on your screen. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the photo, image and document if you want. For example, if you want to upload the image, simply tap on the option image. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the image. Simply tap on the image of your choice. After that, tap on the add option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Like this, you'll be able to upload the image. Also, you'll be able to explore other features of Deepseek. You can also go to new chat if you want. If you want to go to new chat, simply tap on the icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Or you can also tap on the option new chat that you can see right over here on your screen. Like this, you'll be able to go to new chat. Now if you tap on the icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your chat history. At bottom, you'll also be able to see your account if you tap on it. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find your options regarding your profile, about, app, etc. You can check the terms of use privacy policy of Deepseek. You can also customize the application according to your choice. You can also contact the Deepseek if you want. You can also log out of your account, or you can also delete the account if you want. Like this, you can access the profile options. Like this, you'll be able to explore the features of Deepseek. Now go ahead and ask the questions that you need help with. Like this, you'll be able to use the Deepseek app. So that is how you use Deepseek app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.